Alright, so here with my brother Jimmy. I'm going to show you guys how to load a stinger. Same way you do with the regular nail gun. Put the nails in. There you go. The caps. These are plastic caps from the stinger. So feed it in through there. Push it down through the bottom. Slide your finger on there until it comes out to the front. You'll be good. The only bad thing about these stingers is that we've had two of them, and both of them have broken from this spot here. But quick and easy fix. Just put a fucking rubber band on it. We're good. So brother's gonna demonstrate on how fast this bitch is.
How fast you really go with these?
Yeah. So. All right, ready, go. And we've already gotten it, pretty certain. You gonna tell me if somebody's gonna be able to cut nail by hand as fast as my brother did? Look how flat that shit lays. You know? Sauce. Ain't no fucking around here. Got this other side already dried in. That's fast. See that? That is fast. So I'm gonna try to do this one right here while I'm helping this guy out, just so you guys get an idea on how we do it down here in South Texas. Roll that bitch. I'm gonna try to do this one-handed, bro. So,
yep.
Angel,
okay.
Come here. Hold this bitch right here.
Okay.
Just hold it right there. All right, let's do it. That's just so you get it nice and tight. Do the bottom, kick the top. So you get that shit. Whoa, that almost fell. No wrinkles. That's how it should look. No wrinkles. And no tin caps either. All of them plastic cap with a nail. Alright. And I mean, they're not all right where they're supposed to be, but I guarantee you it won't blow off. Alright, so don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, leave a comment if you want to talk shit. If not, just say what's up.